Let's make a really quick and easy weeknight dinner. We're making chicken scampi. This is so delicious, very easy, very family friendly, and the kind of thing that you can put on the table under half an hour, and it's just using very few things which you might already have on hand. Starting off with, of course, your chicken. Make sure you get the thick chicken breasts for this and cut them into cubes. I just find it a little bit easier to cook and a little bit quicker, and I go ahead and salt and pepper them on both sides, give them a quick little toss, and set them aside. In a measuring cup, I'm going to add about a cup of water, and to it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of our homemade chicken gravy mix. If you don't have that, just go ahead and use 1 cup of chicken stock and about 2 teaspoons of flour and just set that aside. I went ahead and just took my chicken and I seared that in a large skillet with olive oil in batches so that it wouldn't steam and it would just get that beautiful seared color all over. And I did this in 2 batches, so I took this set out when I had added another batch, and once it was all cooked, I put everything together. Once it's all browned, you're going to go ahead and add your garlic, and lots of it, because the primary flavors here are going to be garlic, lots of parsley, lots of lemon, and wine. So once I add the garlic in, give everything a really good toss and cook it for about a minute, and then go ahead and deglaze with about a half a cup of dry white wine. Once that deglazes and just sort of evaporates and reduces by half, you're going to go ahead and add in your chicken stock mixture. Once that reduces by half, you're going to go ahead and add some lemon juice. It's up to you how much you want to add, and you're going to keep cooking it. Now, I didn't show this, but I did add a tablespoon of butter to the chicken stock mixture, but I didn't show that in the clip because I forgot. I cooked some orzo and some chicken stock. After I drained it, I put it back into the same pot. I added a couple tablespoons of butter and some Parmesan cheese, and that's what I served it with. When my sauce was thick and glossy, I took it off the heat. I added a little bit of chili paste, or my chili oil, I should say, chili paste that I make myself, but a pinch of hot pepper flakes will do, and some parsley for color. Give everything a really good mix and you're ready to serve. You see how that sauce is really nice and thick and glossy and absolutely delicious. This was so good. My family loves it. I served it with that Parmesan butter orzo, and it was just perfect. Rave reviews all around and really quick and easy to put together. Recipe is in the caption. Hope that you make it. Hope that you love it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.